Hello lovely family and friends, a warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. I'm also doing fantastically well, and my name is Samira. If you're new here, welcome, and please remember to subscribe and like this video before you leave for more amazing content. And if you are an existing subscriber, welcome too. It's always a delight to come your way. So today I present you this delicious recipe. So it's what I call chili fried rice, okay, or pepper fried rice, okay. So I'll explain more why it is called that, because that is the makeup of the food, okay. The ingredients, okay, are filled with peppers, both sweet and spicy peppers. Yes, so you're going to enjoy this video, I tell you. So just stay with me, okay, stay with me. Okay, so it's day 2. The following day, and I've decided to have my pepper fried rice or chili fried rice for breakfast. That is the beauty of working from home. When you work from home and eat anytime, work at the same time. This is very delicious. I have my Coke and I have my sweet afternoons. I have my yellow. So this is how our food looks like, the fried rice. Look at it. So good. So it's very good for pregnant women in their first trimester. Where everything is nausea. This is very good because of the chili. Makes everything, takes all the nausea away. We are what's your for that. We be too far about we. So first of all, let's get into our ingredients, okay? So we're going to be using this to steam our turkey. So we're going to be using turkey. We're going to add turkey to this dish, okay? So these are the ingredients. I've listed them for you. I don't need to tell you exactly what I'm putting in here because it's all listed for you, right? So we're going to blend that, all right? And we're adding it to our turkey. So these are turkey bits. I don't know, the tail and the wings, okay. I think it's just the wings. Actually, I'm adding some salt to taste, and as I always say, make sure that your meat is seasoned to perfection at this point when you steaming it, okay, so that it tastes nice. All right, I'm adding some black pepper to it. I've written all the ingredients for you, so you don't need to worry about and their quantities, okay. It's all there in the description box for your convenience, so don't worry. So I'm giving it a stir to make sure that all the ingredients is gone everywhere. And as always, I wash my blender, okay. I don't want anything to go to waste, okay. Wash my blender and then add it to it. So I'm going to allow this, cover it and allow it to steam. I'm not going to cook it completely, okay. It's not going to be cooked because we're going to fry it again. So Chofi there, yeah, check. I said, if you cook it and you cook it completely and then you fry it, Chofi wants to swim kuno, just work kuna kunumu more, anyway, so that it is nice and succulent. We don't want to overcook, steam it, right? Yeah, I hope you get a flow. Okay, so yeah, I'll set that aside and I'm going to use this stock to cook our rice. We are making fried rice. In case you haven't noticed, we are making fried rice and we're making pepper fried rice or chili fried rice. So we're using the stock to cook our rice, okay. And in our rice cooker, I'm adding the stock and making sure, just the same way you cook your rice, just use the stock. That's all. Yeah. So I've added some bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, okay, to my oil to stop it from splattering. Okay, so I'm adding my very hot chofi or turkey wings, okay, to the oil to fry it. So you're going to fry it to the way you want. I want it golden brown, and the golden brown I'm going to get. Okay, so yes, we'll leave that to cook, and you have to go back to stir your rice because the bits from the ingredients you added to your turkey to steam, those ingredients will be there. It will all settle on top of your rice. So you need to go into stir it to make sure it's well incorporated and it goes everywhere. That's what we just done. And we come back to our turkey and it is nice and golden as I want it. So the way you want it, that is how you do yours. Okay. If you want it this way too, Charlie, feel free, cry. Look at how nice it looks. Okay, so I'll set that aside. And these are our veggies. Okay, these are sweet peppers, right? Okay, so I have some garlic, ginger, red onions, green pepper, red pepper, and orange pepper. Okay, it's all listed for you. And here are our chilies. These are the hot chilies. Okay, so I have assorted hot chilies, and I have one shallot. Okay, so yes, that is the chili. You can add as many chilies as you want, but like, and here I have diced turkey breast. Okay, so I'm going to add this toasted sesame seed oil or sesame oil into a saucepan. Okay, so we're going to saute our veggies, okay, the sweet ones, okay, first. Okay, and then we're going to make some sort of like, just say, yeah, baby, at minimum baby. So stay till you see the baby. So I'm going to, sort of stir fry this quickly. Okay, these vegetables. So these are the sweet vegetables. Okay, the sweet vegetable. That's a red pepper, green pepper, sweet bell pepper, all those. Okay, so they are not spicy. So we're going to saute it for a few minutes. Then we're going to add a few things. Okay, so what we're going to be adding to it is soybean paste. Okay, so this soybean paste is made by fermented soya beans in sea salt brine or sea salt water. It has a chunky consistency and a sharp salty umami flavor. Okay, so when you add it to this, it's going to make it very, very, very delicious. It's going to get that umami flavor coming through. Okay, and then it is going to contrast our chili, because our chili is super hot. The chili fried is going to be hot, and you need something, to sort of balance it out, right? And that's what we've done here. So I'm adding my chofi to it, or my fried turkey, and I'm giving a stir to make sure that everything is nicely combined. Okay, can be biafra fair. So I should say be red, all the intotos, all the inside. It has to go in. Okay, that is done, and we set that aside. So in my wok, I'm adding some oil. Any oil will do here, and we'll start by adding in our ginger and our garlic. Okay, so we're going to use the ginger and the garlic and a little bit of the onions to sort of stir fry our turkey breast. Okay, so we are going to stir fry this turkey breast, right? And I've diced it, as I mentioned earlier, stir fry. And as we're doing it, we're seasoning the turkey breast. Okay, we don't want any blandness in our food, though. We don't want blandness in our food. We want our food to be delicious. Every bite of this food should be heavenly. She said, "Oh dear, now wow, oh real sing. So I've added some black pepper, all seasoning the turkey. Okay, the turkey breast, because it's not seasoned. There's nothing in it. And I'm adding some vegetable bouillon. Okay, so just continue seasoning this turkey to make it very, very, very tasty, right? So give it a stir. Make sure you keep on stirring it so that it doesn't burn, and then you add some salt, okay, to season it. Salt then you de now say no. So yeah, so give it a stir continuously, and then put your baby shy. We're going to add the rest of the veggies, and I'm a boy. Yes, but yeah. Yes, add the rest of the veggies, okay? And we're going to stir fry. So these are the chilies, okay? Mekonu, different kinds. You can have jalapenos, you can have ladies' fingers, you can have scotch bonnet, you can have habanero, whatever chilies. This dish is intended to be hot. So if you are not spicy tolerant, just say we are adding the rice. Just say me so phone so show na make us me baby na make us. I don't know what is going on here. So I've added our rice. Okay, so it's stir fried, and we are making fried rice. I've added the rice. I'm going to stir it. Okay, so look for chilies. different kinds assorted and added. If you add peposhito, all those by the way, I deseeded it. I removed all the seeds. Okay, to otherwise you but if you are good at you are that good at eating chilies, no worries, no problem. Leave the seeds in. So here our fried rice is ready. It is the simplest dish ever. All that you need to do is prep okay. So now I'm just plating it, or I'm walking it, because I'm putting it in a wok, not on the plate. I'm walking it. Okay, I'm putting all the serving, making it ready to serve, and I've added all the turkey and the thing that we did, and now I'm garnishing it with my green leaves. Green leaves and the scallions, which is also called green onions. Yes, and that is it. It is ready. Simple, fair. And I'm almost saying, and yeah, simple, fair. It is so delicious. Okay, very delicious. At the end, continuation of the beginning of the eating, yeah. At the end, the whole my dear, my many be away, Samira. This food is really delicious. This was told to me by my sister Rajwa. One day I called her and she was eating it, and it looked really delicious. So hope you give it a try. And I'm going to leave you here, and I'll see you in the very next one. Like this video, share, and then subscribe if you haven't. Give me a comment. Don't forget to comment, because I need to know what you thinking. Okay, let me know what you think about this dish. Thank you for stopping by. May God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.